Hi, I'm Guy and I'm here to show you how your hairdryer could help you with extreme weather this winter. As the snow falls and temperatures drop below zero, you may find yourself struggling with frozen pipes.
To fix a frozen pipe, you need to turn off your stop tap and check for dripping water. If there are no leaks, then turn your stop tap back on. Make sure you open your kitchen tap to allow any melting water to flow out. Then you need to find the frozen pipe and use a hairdryer to gently melt the ice. Never use a naked flame.
But prevention is always better than cure. So make sure you lag any exposed pipe work, locate your internal stop tap and check that you can turn it off. Have the number of a WaterSafe approved plumber handy. And for more information on how you can protect your home this winter, go to yorkshirewater.com/winter ready.